Okay, this is my very first use with the new Keurig coffee maker. I'm going to use Caribou coffee, and as you can see, there's no puncture yet. I just took off all the tape. I'm going to put my little coffee mug down here on this menu. Oh wow, I should read the instruction manual, but what man really reads it? Set auto off. Brew temperature 192 degrees. Nice to burn the mouth. Okay, we're gonna make a mug size. I'm guessing because I hit. Let's see. Oh, no wonder what I did. Not ready. Okay, I put in bottled water. Only use the best bottled water, which is Ice Mountain. Bottled water. How long does it take for this thing to get ready, man? This is the first use. I'm not going to close it yet because, well, I just did, but I wasn't going to close it yet because the water's not hot yet. I can hear like a bubbling, maybe that's the water heating up. Still feels cold though. I will set the clock after my video is done. Sure does take a long time for a cup of coffee, man. My old coffee, my Mr. Coffee Maker, has a built-in grinder, you know, and that only takes, oh, good 3 or 4 minutes for a whole pot. I've been recording this video now for 2 minutes and 18 seconds and counting, 21, 22, and ooh, there it is, it's getting hot. You could definitely tell it's rumbling. Pardon all my clean dishes, I gotta put them all away. I'm sorry. They're all clean, I promise. Those aren't. From dinner last night. Ready to brew. Okay, now I guess I hit the desired cup size, which mug, I'm gonna guess this size. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, brewing. Haha. I guess I had to lift it up and put it down. We're going to see how our first, sure smells good, and it's steaming, which is a good thing. There's no percolate, it's on an automatic drip. And the water, surprisingly now, is still cold in the little reservoir. Is that all the coffee I get? That's not a mug size. Yep, that's all the coffee I get. This is not ready now. Add water. Get the milk. Just milk. Nothing else. Let's see. a mighty fine cup of coffee. And it only took 5 minutes. That's not too bad, I guess. But these things sure are expensive. Caribou coffee. Thanks for watching.